South Africa's most powerful man is not the president, it's this guy, Lesetja, the man who decides interest rates, inflation, and how broke you're going to be next month.
Against this backdrop, the MPC decided to keep the policy rate unchanged at 7%. Since September last year, we have reduced rates by 125 basis points, and we want to see how this is affecting the economy.
Born in Lesetja, Limpopo, he went from being just a village boy to now controlling the entire country's money supply. He started as an intern in the ANC's Department of Economic Policy, then climbed National Treasury from Director to Deputy Director General. And in 2014, he became the governor of the South African Reserve Bank.
Lesetja Kganyago has officially been appointed as the new Reserve Bank governor. He will take over from outgoing Reserve Bank Governor Jill Marcus. His appointment was announced by President Jacob Zuma at the Union Buildings in Pretoria a short while ago. Kganyago has been working as one of the deputy governors of the Reserve Bank since 2011. Before that, he worked as the Director General of the National Treasury. Kganyago has promised continuity in tackling inflation and steering the country to financial stability.
A man whose words now move billions. And he's not just guessing. He holds a Master of Science in Economics, a Public Finance Diploma, and advanced training from the IMF, or rather the International Monetary Fund, and the US Federal Reserve. So the man is economics.
Resistance to transformation not only undermines our commitment to justice and inclusion, but also stifles diversity and limits the depth of intellectual exploration. It remains one of the most significant obstacles to realizing our shared vision of this country's universities. That said, I would be remiss not to acknowledge the work this institution has done to prioritize Stellenbosch's transformation journey, especially over the past 10 years under former Rector and Vice Chancellor, Professor Wim de Villiers.
Kganyago leads the Monetary Policy Committee. These are the people who decide your bond repayments, your grocery prices and petrol costs, and whether you'll survive this month or not. Here's where your blood pressure rises. Lesetja Kganyago earned 9.72 million last year, and the year before he made 8.82 million rands. This includes bonuses, allowances and other fringe benefits. Yes, he earns more than the President of South Africa. Some say he's the only man that's keeping South Africa afloat. Others will say his policies are crushing the poor, but one thing is clear. Lesetja Kganyago has real power in South Africa. He doesn't run the country, but he runs the country's money. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. You don't just need to have money, you need to be able to control it.
And so part of it is going to be a learning journey between the players and the regulators.